This cold weather is here. There are certain health risks to be aware of, like frostbite.
And KQ2's Alexis Cooner joins us in studio to share how frostbite can be prevented. Hey, Alexis.
Thank you. Anyone can be at risk for frostbite when wearing inappropriate clothing for the cold weather conditions. The colder it is, the more likely you are to get frostbite. Frostbite happens when tissue in the body starts to freeze and the freezing spreads down to the level of the cells.
When this starts to happen, you get blood supply that's compromised getting to the tissues, particularly when we think about fingers and toes, your ears, your nose, those kind of places.
When the blood supply is compromised, the tissues can start to die. Preventing frostbite can start with layering up with your clothes.
But when you go outside, you want to make sure and have a coat, maybe even a jacket on underneath. You want to make sure that your head is covered up because you lose heat out of your head, and you want to put gloves and or mittens on.
If it's really cold, mittens are going to be better than gloves because the mittens keep your fingers together so that they can transmit the heat better. With your feet, you want to make sure that you've got multiple layers of socks on.
Even when driving, it's important to have an emergency kit to keep you warm and safe.
You want to have a blanket, and you want to have maybe a couple bottles of water as well. And things also like jumper cables are helpful in case somebody would need those as well. Keep your car filled up, your tank filled up, keep the gas line from freezing.
Some signs to look out for with frostbite are feelings of numbness, skin that feels abnormally firm or waxy, redness, or skin turning an irregular color. Reporting in St. Joseph, Alexis Cooner, KQ2 News. If you or anyone you know is at risk of getting frostbite, call 911 for help.